Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we are going to learn the PL sound. We will practice reading words with this sound. Finally, we will read sentences using those words that we practice. Let's learn the PL sound. Listen, I will say the PL sound 3 times. Ready? Pull, pull, pull. Now you say the PL sound with me 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Pull, pull, pull. Great job. Now we will read words with the PL sound, like plant and plug. This is the method that we will use to read our word list. First, we will say the PL sound, then we'll read the rest of the word. Finally, we will read the whole word. We will follow this method of reading our word list straight through. When we complete reading our word list in this manner, we will read each word straight through without pausing. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. Pull and plan. Pull ant, plant. Pull ink, plank. Pull up, plop. Pull ot, plot. Pull uck, pluck. Pull ugh, plug. Pull plum. Pull plump. Pull us, plus. Pull ush, plush. Great job. Now we will read the words straight through without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Plan, plant, plank, plop, plot, pluck, plug, plum, plump, plus, plush. Great job. Now we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. We made a plan to meet at the park. She gave me a green plant for my room. The builder carried a heavy plank of wood. The frog made a plop when it jumped into the pond. We walked through a plot of land with flowers. He will pluck the strings on his guitar. Please plug in the lamp so that we have light. She ate a sweet plum for a snack. The plump cat slept on the couch. 2 plus 2 equals 4. The child hugged a soft plush toy. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 12. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few moments every day and practice reading this lesson. If you find it difficult to read any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can read this lesson with ease. When you can read this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of reading today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.